Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something that is super flavorful and pretty cheap. And that is good old red beans and rice. It is so good, so tasty, and it's pretty easy to make. So I got a pan here, medium high temp, and my vegetable oil. Put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil down, and I'm going to just chuck the andouille right in there. I love andouille. So andouille usually comes in like a long, thick link, and it's usually about 14 ounces, I want to say, and I just cut it in half because I'm not going to use the whole thing. It's just me, Jesse, and Wolf, and my 2-year-old does not eat that much. What am I doing? Let it sit on one side so it crisps up for like 5 minutes. And so yeah, I kept half of it, and let me tell you, andouille sausage in an omelet, yes, that is some good stuff right there. With some onions. So yeah, I'm excited to eat omelet later with that. But anyways, so we're gonna let this crisp up right now. Okay, so some of these pieces are a little bit thinner than others, so they're getting crispier faster. So I'm just putting them off to the side. When that happens, like look at this little bit. It's so good. And the little browning on it just gives it more flavor. So who doesn't like more flavor? I'm just gonna take all of it right on out now. It's all pretty much done. So take this out. Set the sausage to the side. Why is this so greasy? This is so good. Now I'm gonna put the onions. And this is a whole, like medium smallish onion. I have half a red pepper. You can use any color bell pepper you really want. And then 1 stalk of celery. I'm gonna swirl this around here. And then we're just gonna cook this until it's nice and soft. And I did turn the temp down. I don't know if I said that. I turned the temp down to like medium, not medium high. So we're just gonna cook this until it's nice and soft. It's nice because all of the vegetables are cooking in like andouille grease too. So that's really good. So I'm just gonna add a little pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. Season the vegetables up just a little bit more. You want to stir these a little bit. It smells so good in this house already. Translucent, take a look. Looks beautiful. Okay, now I have 2 cloves of garlic I'm gonna throw in there. Do a little spin around, let that cook. And at this, turn it down just a little bit because I don't like burnt garlic. And then while that's cooking, I'm also going to do about a half a teaspoon of paprika. If you have smoked, do smoked. If you don't have smoked, oh well. Do a little spin around, make sure the garlic's not burning. And then I'm gonna do a dash of cayenne. Then I also have a tomato paste here. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir this around, kind of get it all incorporated here. It smells good. And this is so easy. I love an easy recipe, especially now with a 2-year-old running around. Like, I'm surprised he's not over here right now. All right, so now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of, I'm using vegetable broth. Chicken broth is also good. And I'm gonna stir that around. I might need to add a little bit more broth. Okay, and then I got the beans. Open this can up. I got 1 can of red kidney beans here. Drained, of course. Drain these. Rinse them. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need a little bit more water. Just a little bit, so like a cup of water. Stir it around. And this is gonna simmer for like 2 hours. Okay. Then what else do I have? I have a bay leaf. Oh, my bay leaves are broken. I need to get some more. So you need like 1 bay leaf. Okay. Oregano. We're gonna do about 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of pepper. Give it a swirl. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put the sausage back in here. That was so quick and easy. Look at how good it looks. And we're gonna let that simmer for about 1 hour to 2 hours. And I'll see you then. I got this simmering. It's been about 2 hours now. And it's still pretty brothy. So, you know what you do for that? You want a bean soup to get a little bit more like thick. Let's just smash some of these kidney beans up. So I just have a really flat spatula here and I'm just mushing some of the beans. And it doesn't matter if you get some andouille sausage mush too. Just do a little mushing. Mush it up a bit. And it makes it like thicker because all the beans get creamy in there. Just do a little mush here and there. You don't want to like mush them all, but just mush a few. Like 1/4 of the beans. Mush them around. And now we're gonna put some basmati rice on. And it's served with just basmati rice. So I'm gonna make some rice here. Okay, my red beans and rice are done. The rice is done. And let me just try a piece of this. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because who knows what I'm gonna be making. I don't even know.